Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we shall solve the next SQL coding question 2 which was asked in the Amazon TechOps Associate SMT Bangalore. So we shall see the execution of the code. So we shall quickly see the question. The question is the employee table in the following format is given. So we need to write a query to display all the names that start with a constant and which will end with a oval. So you can see the output. So here you can see Pooja. So P is a constant letter which will start from constant, that is Pooja, and A is the oval which is ending with the oval. Similarly, you can check with Radha. R, it is starting with constant and ending with oval A, and here also K, that is it is starting with a constant letter and is ending with the oval I. So I have displayed a table. This is the table. So now quickly we shall write a query to display all the names that start with a constant and which will end with the oval. So quickly we shall see the query. So here first we need to display the employee name, because here we need to write a query to display all the names. So we need to just display the employee name from the employee table. So we need to use a select clause. So select employee underscore name from employee where. So select employee underscore name from employee where. So here it is like you need to display the names that start with a constant and it should end with a oval. So here you can also do like you can write employee underscore name like B, C, D, E, F, G, H till Z you can write, but it will be lengthy process. So instead of doing that, we can use a like clause as well as not like clause. So which means if you use a not like, and if you write it as if it is not like A, if it is not starting with A, then you can say that you can display the constant, and if it is ending with a E, I, O, U, then you can say that you need to display the names with constant as well as the ending with the oval. So for that purpose we are going to use where employee underscore name. So where employee underscore name. So employee underscore name not like followed by, you're going to use, that is AEIOU. So A followed by the percentage. So if you are using a percentage at the end, which means that you are going to start it with the constant. If you are using the percentage at the beginning, which means you are going to end that letter with end the word with that letter. So since therefore you are going to use, it should not like A followed by the percentage, and similarly you are going to write there are 5 ovals. So AEIOU. So similarly, and employee underscore name not like. So employee underscore name not like, again you are going to write E followed by the percentage, because it should not like means it should not be A, it should not be E. Starting letter should not be A, it should not be oval, it should be constant. So therefore you are using, that is it should not be like AEIOU at the beginning. So at the beginning, if it is not like a AEIOU, then the remaining is the constant. So it should display the constants only at the beginning. So not like E followed by again. So and employee underscore name and employee underscore name not. So not like. Similarly you have done with AE. Next one is the I followed by the percentage, then again and employee underscore name not like, then O followed by, so O percentage, and employee underscore name not like, the last one is U. So U followed by the percentage. So U followed by, you can use either capital or small letter. So U followed by the percentage, So then after that, so now we are done with that initially the starting letter, it should be constant, it should not be oval. So therefore we have used not like followed by the ovals. So next thing is that we need to display, that is you need to display the names with constant at the beginning and ending it with the oval. So again you are going to and followed by then employee underscore name like, you are going to use a like that the at the end it should have a oval. So therefore and employee underscore name, so employee underscore name followed by like, then followed by, so as you told that if it is not starting, so starting is you are going to include the percentage. Now you are ending the, so you are ending it with the oval. So therefore initially you are going to use the percentage followed by a, so underscore followed by a. So that is next thing is that after that you are going to use a or clause. So it can be a, e, I, o, u at the end. So you can use the ending can be either a, e, I, o, u. So therefore you are going to use a or clause. So similarly you are done with a, now you are going to use the AE. So employee underscore name like, so employee underscore name like followed by A is done. Next one is the E. So underscore E. So then again or employee underscore name like, so AE followed by percentage then I. So again or then employee underscore name, so employee underscore name like, so AE I is done. Then the next thing is the O. So again or followed by employee underscore name, so employee underscore name like, the last thing is AE I O U. So the last one is the U. So underscore followed by the U. So once you are done, you need to end it with the semicolon. So here we are telling with the help of a query, that is you need to display employee name, and that is starting letter it should not be oval, whereas ending should be oval. So therefore you need to, in order to display starting, percentage should be at the end. In order to display at the end, so you are going to use the percentage at the beginning. So now quickly we shall run the query. So you can see we have displayed the output. So you need to display the output, that is Pooja, Radha as well as Kirti. So here you can see we have successfully displayed the result, that is Pooja, Radha as well as Kirti, which are starting with constant ending with oval, starting with constant ending with oval. Similarly Kirti starting with a constant and ending with the oval. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.